Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how do Spain look like full guide. Start by picturing Spain as a patchwork of varied landscapes that change every few hours by car. Notice coastal Mediterranean beaches, green northern hills, and arid central plains all within easy reach. I will describe city skylines, rural patterns, and how history shaped streets and squares, so you can visualize each region before you visit. The north feels cool and fresh, with a landscape that often surprises visitors who expect only sun. Think green hills, rugged cliffs, and estuaries that look more like small fjords than Mediterranean shores. City centers blend old stone streets with striking modern architecture, and the food reflects sea and mountain traditions. I will guide you through visual cues and textures that make northern Spain feel both wild and inviting. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight and save time while sightseeing or driving between towns. They're great for picnics near plazas or beach days without messy spills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Central Spain often appears vast and open, with long horizons and fields of cereal under bright light, making cities look compact and historic. Travel south and you find whitewashed villages, winding alleys, and Moorish arches giving a warmer, intimate texture to streets. Coastal zones alternate between calm Mediterranean bays and more windswept Atlantic beaches, so I will describe how colors, shadows, and building materials shift as you move across the country.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.